Myself, Ajay Balchandran. I am from Kerala. I am a C3, C4 level spinal cord injured person. I have a challenge in using mobile phone because of my restricted arm movements. Let me introduce you to my solution of using with the help of Sesame app, which I use to control my phone. Let's see that. You can turn on the system by using the speech command of Google, like Google Assistant. Hey Google, open Sesame.
Opening Sesame.
Now we can see that a cursor has come on the screen, and with the help of this cursor I can take the apps which I want. I can answer the calls, and also I can chat on WhatsApp or whatever I use with the help of my arm, that I can do with this cursor. Let's see how it works. There are three options coming, and the first one is to click the green button. With that we can click on that, and the second one is to like when we need to swipe this one, and third one is the red button which we can use to go back. Okay, now I have taken my call log, and now let me open this contact. This way, if I need to click on any of these buttons, I can do the same, and also I can scroll this one on using another thing. So with this, we have seen the swipe option. So with the help of this, we can swipe the screen also. So this way we can use this app. This is freely available on the App Store, and also another version is also available for the Windows one. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you.
Break-free solutions brought to you by eiLabs and Project Discovery.